Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, January 22nd. We got a couple items here on the docket. We'll start off with the weekly jobless claims for this week, and 317,000 people applied for unemployment. It was supposed to taper down. The forecast for this week was 298,000, and it came in at 307,000. So it did come down, but we're still above the 300,000 threshold. We haven't seen this is like 3 weeks in a row now. We've had about 300, which, if you remember back in late summer, we were in that threshold, and we were kind of working our way up down to 290 range, and then even right around the holiday season, we were getting down to like the 280 range, which was looking pretty good. But as even at that time, we said we had to be a little bit cautious because we didn't know how much was being affected by the holiday jobs, those temporary jobs. As we're seeing, a lot of those people are going back on the unemployment line as they had their temporary jobs completed, and now they're kind of going back on the unemployment line. So we're seeing that little bit of a spike in the weekly jobless claims. So it'll be kind of interesting once the Bureau of Labor Statistics shows the employment numbers for the month of January. It'll be interesting to see what those come out with. On the other hand, we also got the FHFA Home Price Index for the month of November. So back in October, they had 4.4% year-over-year appreciation or increase, and then for the month of November, we had a slight little spike there at 5.3%. So it looked like home prices took a little bit of a increase, a nice little increase by almost 1% in that 1 month difference there. Now, the stock market's up today, and all of it's primarily due to the ECB's and the QE announcement. We were talking about yesterday a little bit that the ECB was going to be making this announcement, but then there was some reports coming out that may not be as big as they thought. Today had the other self where it actually came in larger than they were expecting. So basically what it comes down to is that they're going to have this program up till like September 2016, which will be open-ended. They're going to be doing 60 billion euros, which translates to about $69 million each month. They could be buying their own bonds. So, of course, the stock market's liking that right now. So we could see a little bit more increase in the stock market, which could affect bond prices as a result in this. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the bonds and see what we're doing. We did have a little bit of a drop as money was leaving the bond market, going into the equity market. The stock market Dow is up over 100 so far this morning. So as those news come up, and now they were still digesting the information that came out. So it could change a little bit throughout the day. But as early excitement, they kind of course bought in. So now the stock market's up a bit, and which pulls from the interest rates. So the pricing for interest rates worsened a little bit today. All right, folks. So I do appreciate you guys stopping by, watching us today, and thank you very much. If you guys are in the process of looking for a pre-approval, looking to buy a home, want to get a pre-approval done, please contact me. I am licensed in the state of California. I'm also can help you with the refinance with the rates as low as they are today. Need to do a refinance? We can certainly show you what your options are and help you make sure you get the right loan for you guys. We do have a couple of niche programs. One of the niche programs that's really nice, we just recently came out with, is a jumbo loan for people who have been self-employed for less than 2 years and don't have the 2 years tax records. We can help them without that. So we can go with like 1 year tax return and go with a profit loss statement to help them qualify, and we can go up to $1.5 million on those with 20% down for those type of people. So that's a nice little program for them. And that, on the other hand, that also helps with W-2 wagers, people who were W-2s and went to like a commission structure or bonus structure. This can also help those people out as well. All right, folks, if you guys got any more questions about those loan programs or anything else, please feel free to contact me anytime. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.